Take this cover off right here and just slide it and pull it out. Take this nut off, use a 13mm socket. Grab the wiper arm assembly and you can just rock it back and forth. Try to loosen it up. Sometimes if you just wiggle, it comes off. Sometimes if it doesn't come off that easy, you can get a puller, put a puller on there and pry it off that way. Now disconnect the hose, just grab this piece and slide it out. Take the wiper off, just push on this tab and slide it off. Take the wiper blade. It'd be ideal to replace the wiper blade at this time, but if you have to reuse it, just use the old one. Slide the arm in and lock it in place. Now we're going to line this up the same way it came off. Push it down. You can connect the washer hose. Just make sure the washer hose goes around the same routing that it was when it came off. Put the nut on and tighten that down. I'm going to torque this nut to 89 inch-pounds. Make sure you're on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. And put this cap, just slide it in place. Might have to spread it a little bit, lock it down.